Hello magical friends! Welcome to the channel Unbox with Magical Mel. My name is Melody and this is where I collect all things magical, especially Harry Potter items. And today we have fresh out of the oven popmart figurines. Check this out. Wow. And these are all the characters that we'd probably be getting. Oh, this is so exciting. So it says there are 12 designs and maybe a secret. I wonder what the secret is. I don't want to go so detailed into each of them because I want to keep it sort of a surprise. Over here, you can see there's the Chamber of Secrets door there. And you'll see Aragog, not Aragog, but this is a tiny spider. One of Aragog's many children or grandchildren or something. Yeah, and then that's about it. So this one looks like, is Harry Potter in like flue powder or something? Because he's engulfed in like this green flame. So let's set this up. I've not had this before. Ta-da! Oh, this looks so beautiful. I love this so much. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go from the front left to right, and then from the second row from the front left to right, and then the third row from the front left to right. Okay? All right. Ooh, so excited. Let's go into the first box. Oh my gosh. I'm going to show the front camera first. Okay. This will be the same for all the boxes. Right, let's do this. Yay. Ooh, so quite a lot of things in there. So let's take out everything. Ooh, okay, well, you kind of know now because it's the flue powder. I didn't want to read what was on the box so that I can sort of, be surprised. Let's open this up. Where's the first strip? Oh, Harry Potter. Look at him. Oh, it's so nice. Look at the glasses. Oh, wow. This is super well made. I like the the gradient from blue to green here, and he's wearing a green knitted sweater, black shoes, his glasses, very well made. So let's take the, I assume it's the blue powder out of the packaging. So just going to throw it on the floor because I don't have space now. And we'll try to touch it. Yay! Oh, that is so nice. Look at that. So let's see, what does the card say? Flue powder. That's, no, we got it right. Flue powder. And let's put Harry Potter up here. There we go. Next, first row, second. Let's see. Alright, let's get out. Okay. I don't want to look at the cheat sheet. Alright, oh, look at him. Oh. Wait a minute. Is he supposed to have like a sock? Wait. Let's see a sock in here. Oh, it's here. Oh my goodness. I thought oh, my heart kind of dropped. I thought I was not going to have his socks. Okay, here we go. Oh, this is such a tiny little socks. So guys, my top camera's memory is full. So if you see like a change of quality, it's because I've changed my top camera to a GoPro. So I'm not sure how it'll do. But anyways, this is Dobby with his socks that Harry Potter gave to him. With Dobby, you can see the socks there, and you've got Tom Riddle's book. Yeah, because all the ink's blotched inside, and then like, oh, it's so much detail. the basilisk, when the basilisk tooth like pierced through it, you can see this hole here. Oh my gosh, this is a lot of detail here. You can see where the pillowcase, where Dobby tied the ends. Oh, this is absolutely gorgeous. I can't stop looking at it. So next one, front row, the third one. Okay, there we go. Okay, I'm going to keep the cheat sheet inside so I don't take it out. Right. Let's see. This one has like, I can't tell though. It's hard to tell with this bag. Let's see what we have. Oh, it's Ron! Yay! Oh! He is spitting the slugs, remember? Because his one always backfires, and he was trying to do this charm thing on, was it Malfoy? Yes, and it backfired. And then he's spitting slugs. Oh, this is so cute. I love these. Like, he's even like sitting on this bench and just spitting the slugs out. Oh my goodness, this is so precious. Like you can see like the freckles as well, like Ron's freckles. And he has like this green eyes, and the slugs are this purplish slugs. Yeah, this is absolutely gorgeous. We'll put Ron next to Harry here. Yay! Now first row, fourth one. Okay. Alright, and then see, then look at the cheat sheet. This one, I really can't tell. It's so hard to tell with these blind bags. Let's see what we got here. Oh my gosh, it's Moaning Myrtle. No. Oh my gosh. She is like a little bit transparent, guys. That is beautiful. She's coming out from this toilet bowl. And she's absolutely adorable. Oh god, her face, so cute. Oh my goodness. So much detail, guys. Oh, can you see that she's transparent, like semi-transparent? Do you see it? Moaning Myrtle can go right behind Harry because she adores him. She has a crush on him. Alright, so it says here, Crying Myrtle. Alright, let's go second row from the left. Sorry, this one didn't tear very well. Okay, don't look at the cheat sheet. No, don't come out. Cheat sheet, don't come out. Okay, so let's do this. Oh, this is kind of big. This is big. Is this Dumbledore? Usually he's like the bigger one. Let's see. Dumbledore? Is it Dumbledore? It is! Oh my gosh, it's Dumbledore with Fox! Oh wow, and look at them. They actually taped Fox's face so that it doesn't get damaged. Okay, how do you take the tape off? Oh wow. It's immaculate, like the details. Look at Fox. So Dumbledore is wearing his purplish robe. And he's got gold glasses. And at the back, his hand is at the back, and then you can see like trimmings at these sleeves. Alright, let's see what else we have here. Okay, it's just a stand and a card. So it says Dumbledore and Fox. Okay. Alright, so let's see where we should put. It's getting full here because they're all so big. Let's put him maybe behind Dobby right here. Alright, now, second row and second one. Okay. Alright, don't make the bushy. Okay. Alright, this one is smaller. Okay. Let's see. It's Hermione. And oh, she's got potions? Oh my gosh. Oh, wait, what's she doing? Okay, look at them. Like, look at how much detail they put into this. Like, they really wrap it up really good so that it doesn't get damaged. Oh wow, you can even see that there's liquid. Like, wait, is that like real liquid? No. Oh wow, this is like one of the best ones I've seen in terms of like pop figurines. Like, it's so detailed. I'm sorry guys, like my housemate is like banging the door, so excuse that. I'm sorry. Let's see, what else do we have here? Oh no, what? Oh, there's a cauldron, so I think it's the Polyjuice potion. Guys, there's a cauldron. Look at how cute. This is like the cutest cauldron ever. Oh, it actually moves too. Like the handle of the potion, it moves. Wow. Definitely brewing the Polyjuice potion. That is absolutely gorgeous. Let's put her next to Crying Myrtle because she is brewing the Polyjuice potion in the same bathroom that, you know, Moaning Myrtle is in. Alright, so second row and the third one. Let's see. Oh god, I can't see what we have here. Oh, slightly odd shape. Okay, we'll see. It's Professor Snape. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. He looks a bit like an anime character here. I don't know what he's doing. He's pointing his finger. Probably like scolding someone. I don't know. Let's see. Let's see what else does he have here. Whoa! Oh, I love the stand thing that they have with him. Okay, let's see. Okay, there's a wand. Oh, I love. Oh my gosh, I love the stand that's for him. I think it's on the. Oh wait. It looks like the runway cloth thing that's on the table when Gilderoy and Snape is dueling. That word always gets to me. Alright, so let's do this. So Professor Snape looks a little bit like an anime character because he has this like ombre hair going on. Instead of like jet black, he has this like grayish hair at the top and then it goes down darker. So it looks like an anime character. Alright, let's put him maybe at the back here. Okay, there we go. Alright, let's go to the second row and the fourth one. Okay. Okay, this one's kind of long. What's this one? Oh, it's Draco Malfoy. Don't know what. Oh, okay, he's wearing muffs, so I think there will be a mandrake that's going to be accompanying him. Ooh, what? The ear muffs are flocked. It's so soft and furry. It's flocked, guys. Oh my goodness, that is so nice. And he looks like a manga character too, like an anime as well. Look at him. Like his features. And then with his blonde hair, definitely looks like an anime character. Alright, let's see what he has with him. Yep, there's a cute little mandrake in there. Okay. Let's get these out. Alright, so, oh, the mandrake's so happy. It's not even crying, it's happy, guys. Oh, he's tickling it. Oh, okay. Malfoy is actually tickling the mandrake. That explains why the mandrake's like laughing instead of screaming. That is hilarious. There you go. Can you see? Like he's actually tickling him. And then the mandrake is like laughing. Okay. Let's put him... I can't see him anymore. Okay, next to Dobby here. We're at the last row. 4 more to go. There are no repeats, so I guess I am assuming that's just going to be what comes in the box. I'm not sure if we'll get this special character, but we'll see. Okay, so this one's the 4th row first. Did it from the left. Okay. Let's see. Look at it. Oh my god, it's so hard to not look. Okay, what's this one? Ooh, it's a Harry Potter with the sorting hat over there. Oh, the sorting hat's so cute. It's like scrunched up and tiny. I guess there'll be a wand that goes with it. Let's see. Yep. Oh no, it's a Gryffindor sword. Oh my gosh, it's a Gryffindor sword. Now next, 4th row, 2nd from the left. It's Hermione. Oh my gosh. And it's her as like a kitten. Because, you know, she took a polyjuice potion and she put, like, accidentally put the hair of a kitten inside. Oh my goodness. This is absolutely gorgeous. She has a braid in hair again. And her bangs, look at how it actually, like, comes, like, away from the forehead, which is... These details are crazy in the eyes, the cat eyes. And she's got a cat paws as well. I'll set her behind Crying Myrtle there. Oh, they're having a party, guys. I really, really hope that we will at least get the special one. I don't know. Let's see. Fingers crossed. All right, 2nd to last. Shorter. Oh, it's Ron! And he's holding a wand. Okay, and he looks a little bit worried or scared or perplexed. I'm not sure what facial expression is that supposed to be. Oh, sorry, Ron. Got a big head. Okay, let's see what it comes with. Oh, he's broken one. Wait, he has so many things. What? It's flocked. This tiny little cup with, like, the tail. It's flocked. Oh my god. I think this is my favorite one. We've got books. Lots of books. They're generous with the books. I don't know if you can open them. That'll be cool. And he's broken one. That's hilarious. It's bent. Look. And his stand. Okay, let's see what the picture shows so I know how to set this up properly. Oh, okay. Ron and Broken One. Oh, that... Guys, I was trying to figure out, like, what this thing is. Look. Like, this. I was like, what is this? Is this like a broken glass or something? But it's actually the tape that's holding the one together. I think this is definitely my favorite so far. Okay, oh no, I don't know where to put you. Yep, there you go, it's a whole village. Alright, this is the last one, and we'll see if we do get the special one. Let's do it. Okay. Kind of small. Yay! It's the Gilderoy Lockhart. Okay, I don't think we got the special character because I saw Lockhart at the front earlier, and I assume he is dueling, and he's gonna duel with Professor Snape. Yep. Oh, he has the same platform as Professor Snape. Yep, that's right. So I guess I can like combine them together. Let's see if that works. Like that. Oh yeah, look, the platform comes together. Really nice. Although they're pretty close, too close for my comfort. I hope that you enjoy it. Click like if you like the video, and subscribe if you've not already, and click on the bell if you want to be notified when I next upload again. Till then, keep the magic going, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!